10 ways to get rid of phlegm and mucus in your lungs, chest, and vagina. You might think that phlegm and mucus in your lungs, chest, and vagina would be easy to avoid, but most people don't realize they can have this problem until it's too late. So here are 10 ways you can get rid of phlegm and mucus in your lungs, chest, and vagina without making the problem worse. 1. Drink plenty of fluids. Drinking plenty of fluids is a great way to get phlegm and mucus out of your lungs. Water is the best fluid for this because it doesn't have any calories or sugars that can irritate your chest and make the phlegm stickier. Fluids also help thin out the mucus in your throat so you can cough it up easier and clear your airways more easily. 2. Breathe steam. Breathing steam is a great way to clear out your lungs and chest. All you need is a pot of boiling water on the stove and a towel. Simply wet the towel with hot water and then drape it over your head as you lean over the pot of boiling water for up to 10 minutes. The steam will rise up from the pot and into your nose and mouth where it will help break up mucus in your lungs. 3. Drink warm liquids. Drink warm liquids like tea or soup to loosen up the phlegm and allow it to be coughed up. You can also make a hot drink with honey and lemon to soothe your sore throat. 4. Drink herbal tea. It is common to experience phlegm and mucus in the lungs, chest, and vagina. This can happen when you are sick with a cold or flu virus. There are many ways to get rid of this pesky phlegm and mucus. One way is to drink herbal tea like peppermint or chamomile to soothe your throat and help you relax. 5. Take a hot shower. One of the best ways to get rid of phlegm and mucus in your lungs, chest, and vagina is to take a hot shower. The heat will increase the blood flow around your body, which will help you to sweat out the impurities that are clogging your respiratory system. It might not sound like much fun, but it's one of the easiest methods available. Plus, it's a great way to feel refreshed after a long day. 6. Use a humidifier. To combat the dry air of winter, you can use a humidifier. Humidifiers are easy to find at most stores and they're relatively inexpensive. One way to use a humidifier is to place it in your bedroom or living room while you sleep or relax during the day. 7. Gargle with warm salt water. Mix 1 teaspoon salt and 8 ounces of water in a cup. Stir until the salt is dissolved. Gargle with the mixture 3 times a day to help get rid of phlegm and mucus in your lungs, chest, and vagina. Do not swallow the mixture, spit it out after each gargle session. 8. Eat more ginger. Ginger is one of the best ways to kick phlegm and mucus out of your lungs. You can eat ginger or drink ginger tea or even add it to foods like soup or stir fry. Plus, you'll get all the benefits of the nutrients and antioxidants that are in ginger too. 9. Drink cranberry juice. If you have phlegm in your lungs or chest, a great way to get rid of it is by drinking cranberry juice. It contains proanthocyanidins, which are powerful anti-inflammatory agents that can reduce the swelling in the respiratory tract and help clear out any bacteria that might be causing your infection. 10. Try thyme. The herb thyme can help get rid of phlegm and mucus in your chest and lungs. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce the swelling in your throat that is often a result of a cold or allergies. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.